But it is Monday, October 6th. Big news in the market. AMD stock rockets higher, a multi-billion dollar deal. OpenAI. OpenAI. Every story's OpenAI. This is the biggest bubble ever. So AMD soared early trading Monday. OpenAI. The move will see AMD provide upward of 6 gigawatts. The GPUs, a juggernaut, several generations, starting with MI450 chips, blah, blah, second half of 2026. As part of the OpenAI deal, staking AMD is worth up to 160 million shares, roughly 10% of the company. Shares will vest in tranches AMD hit specific milestone. Tranche vest will AMD deploys initial 1 gigawatt of chips. AMD, a partnership. The OpenAI expected to deliver tens of billions of dollars revenue for AMD while accelerating OpenAI's infrastructure. AMD CFO John Hu's statement. The deal come a few weeks after AMD's chief rival NVIDIA announced $100 billion deal with OpenAI. Yeah, OpenAI eyes and everything. AIs and everything. Things have picked up last 6 months. Our AMD shares climbing 75%, NVIDIA 84%. Massive influx spending in AI projects, Wall Street. Enormous investors raise concerns of AI bubble. Yeah, of course it's a bubble. Stupid. Don't crash hard. Let me go over here. AMD. Let's look at AMD. AMD shares soar massive multi-billion dollar chip deal. You see OpenAI, 6 gigawatt capacity, 10% stake. Here was the move. You came down, you were hovering. Now the low is getting higher slightly in a big pop here. So you can see AMD the past 10 years, 1200%, 155, 200. It's been very solid. It's all green, AMD. AMD's still a buy. All the news, massive news for AMD. There's about 20 news articles. OpenAI chip maker signed deal. You can see over here in Stockwitz, if you believe this is the next NVIDIA, AMD short at 30,000 shares. It's going fast here. All right. So yeah, it's basically another deal in the market. And look at the market right now. You see the Dow struggling minus 248. The Nasdaq gapped up to 101. It's not really, climbing. S&P down, Russell down too. So that's where we're at on that. Let me get rid of this. And where is my chart? Right over here. AMD. Now, what did I say about ALK? I just did the video. I think it's a fake out, this move. You know why? The weekly. See this weekly going straight down right over it? I was right again. It's going to hit that 45 line. Been very on with a lot of these moves. Not perfect, but I've been on pretty good. I just know it didn't seem right because that weekly, you need a crossover. See, that needs something pretty close to a crossover. It's not even close yet. So that's not good on that. NX. I caught that too. I said, watch. Don't really trust that. BLDR. Out on BLDR. After this 120 goes to 130, it's fading. Yeah, this is a little wedge coming up. Take your profit. Nice little profit here. Very good. Solid action. All right, there's AMD. So AMD again, look at the low to high. We just did this. Let's see where it's at now. So you're pulling back a little bit. What's the weekly look like? Yeah, the weekly is a crossover, but yeah, it's a huge move on that candle. You never want to buy in a huge candle, but we'll see what happens with this. And that's it. So big AMD news. The market topsy-turvy, the Dow down. Everything else is up. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button.